Hello and welcome to another tutorial video for Tag Genie. In this video, we're going to show our newest filter condition, which is called time since product creation. And it basically allows you to tag your products based on their creation date. So let me switch to a sample website. Let's imagine that you want to have a new category or page called new arrivals, where you would like to have items that have been added to your store in the last 3 months. Okay, that's a very common scenario for stores. So how do we go about and do that? So here's the dashboard of Tag Genie. As usual, we'll be creating a new tag operation. So we just go to create tag operation. Here we're going to choose our custom tag operation. And now let's find this new condition, filter condition. So I'm going to click on add conditions. Now, since we want to only distinguish items that have been recently added, I'm going to choose time since product creation condition. Alright, so this condition allows us to filter products based on their creation date. So as I've mentioned, we want to have new arrivals category on our store where products that have been created in the last 3 months should appear. So first, we want to tag products that are at most 3 months. So here we have the largest unit is days. We don't have months, but let's say that 90 days is 3 months. So I'm going to choose 90 as days here. And now what I'm going to do is add a tag called new arrivals. Just going to preview the operation. We've got a bunch of products, and let's just simply execute this operation. Okay, so once this operation has been completed, what we want to do next is prepare a special collection that we want to show on our site. So we're going to go ahead in the backend admin, go to collections, create new collection, and what we've done here is we are including only products that have been tagged with the new tag, new arrivals, and their type women. This is something specific for the store. So basically we only have women clothing and new arrivals. All right. Once this is saved and we have put it in our navigation menu, I can now refresh this new arrivals page. Alright, and as you can see, we've got various clothing in here. What we want to do next is actually automate this process. So we don't have to think about running this operation and tagging products with new arrivals. The whole idea of this is to automate this process so that you don't have to think about it. Just set it up and leave it. So the next part is to actually create an automation. There are a couple of ways to do that. You can go on the operation that you would like to automate and click create automation, or simply navigate to automations and create an automation. Tag. Next thing is to choose the operation that we want to automate. So here we have a list with all of the operations of our store. So we'll just click this one, the latest one that we've created, where tag new arrival will be added for each product that were created in the last 90 days. Then we need to choose the automation type. This is when we want this operation to be executed. For this kind of operation, I think it's pretty okay to run it just every day. or every 12 hours, doesn't matter, and create. So basically, Tag Genie will now every day go ahead and run this operation to add the new arrival tags to any new items. Alright, so that's half of the job done. But what we're going to do once items become older than 90 days or 3 months. So we basically do the reverse thing. We go ahead into operations, create a new tag operation, create custom tag operation. So again, I'm going to use the same time since product creation condition. This time I'm going to use the at least option here. Now, and again, I'm using 90. So basically what we're doing here is we're now filtering products that are older than 90 days. Okay, so once a product crosses over the threshold of 90 days, it should no longer be in new arrivals, and we want to actually remove the tag new arrivals. So we're going ahead and adding a remove tag operation, areas looking for new arrivals, and that's it. So basically this will undo our first operation once a product is considered to be old. Okay, again we're going to preview. Now this time Tag Genie says that no changes will be performed simply because currently there are no products that are older than 90 days and have the new arrivals tags. That's because we just created this new tag, so we're just going to save the operation. Again, what we want to do is create a new automation. Create a new automation. We're going to choose the new operation to remove the new arrivals for older products. We set that to be recurring. Again, every day is pretty good choice. We're going to choose create. And now by having those two new automations to remove the new arrivals tags and add the new arrivals tags, we have completed the automation process. So now Tag Genie will automatically add tags to new arrival tags, to new arrival products, and remove this tag whenever a product is more than 90 days. I hope that this new condition will be very helpful to many businesses. Thank you so much for your attention, and see you again.